welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain the reasons why you are peeing so much, or the reasons why you are urinating so much. Urinating is a natural phenomenon that every human being must pass, but sometimes it happens due to different reasons that you are urinating so much. Okay, now here I'm going to explain the 8 reasons why you might urinate so much. Okay, the first reason is overactive bladder. This is the most common culprit. It is marked by the need to urinate more than 8 times during the day, waking up more than once a night to pee, and frequently losing bladder control before reaching the toilet. Okay, and the second reason is enlarged prostate. This may occur in men as early as age 30 and may be accompanied by a slow urinary stream and the inability to empty the bladder completely. The third reason is diabetes mellitus. Elevated blood sugar can increase thirst, causing you to drink often and frequently, consequently void frequently. The fourth is stroke. The bladder is controlled by the brain, so it's very common to see a stroke side effect manifest through bladder frequency. The fifth one is interstitial cystitis. This condition, which affects women, is marked by a frequent need to urinate that is accompanied by bladder pain and a distended bladder. Relief often occurs following urination. The sixth is high fluid intake or dietary triggers. It stands to reason that if you drink a lot, you are going to pee a lot. So if you drink a lot, you are going to pee a lot. It is diet proportional. But your bladder also can become overstimulated by caffeine, citrus fruits, and other acids, chocolate, artificial sweeteners, alcohol, and spicy food. Another one is urinary tract infection. Symptoms may include blood in the urine, passing small amount of urine despite a feeling of urging, burning, or pelvic pain. And the last one is bladder cancer. This is rare, so don't panic if you find your trip to the bathroom are increasing or your trip to the toilet are increasing. So if you have any other sign or if you have any other reason why you are peeing so much, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much. Let's continue to subscribe this channel for more healthy videos. Thank you.